VitalSleep transformed my nights, strengthening my relationship and revitalizing my sleep.
It has been amazing. It has improved my relationship with my wife. I kept her up the whole time we've been together, and now she can sleep. Now, she says sometimes she hears me a little bit, but it's unbelievable the difference. I feel better. It's been the most amazing device that I have ever used, that I bought and wasn't sure it was going to work, and it actually works. So thank you, VitalSleep. You've made an incredible difference in my life, and anybody out there that snores should look into this. Thank you very much.